Good morning, people. I am going to water my plants this morning. I hope you're having a wonderful day, no matter where you are in the world. Well, there goes my watering my bars and berry, my chocolate mint, opening my basil, another bars and berry. There they go. Like I said, we'll see what happens. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so we'll see, y'all. We'll see. My beautiful roses. They got enough of water. Look how they blooming so nicely. I'll just leave them alone till tomorrow. If they doing good, just leave them. The bitter leaf is doing good, so I'm gonna leave it alone till it rains tomorrow. The rose is looking good. I'm gonna leave them alone until it rains tomorrow. I decided to do an experiment this morning. I'm gonna put some okra seeds down in this flower bed that I just watered a little bit. Add just a little bit more water, the leftover red okras, and this edible seeds as well. Just punch a hole with my finger, y'all, and put a few okra seeds in there. 3, then cover them up with a little water. Another hole. 3, well, actually 4 fell in there, but I'm gonna leave them alone. Cover it up a little bit. Cover it up. Cover it up. Because sometimes the germination rate is not very good in these seeds that you buy, and I don't know why, y'all. So it's supposed to rain tomorrow. We'll see if the rain helps them to do anything, because the ones I got trying to become seedlings not doing nothing yet, so we'll see. Here's some more. Another hole. There's 4 fell in the hole. No, sometimes you just have to try until it comes. And that's how I feel today on these okras. Oh, that's way too many there. Have to take some and put them over here. These, and just cover them up a little bit. These, cover them up a little bit. These, move them over here a little bit. Cover them up. So we'll see what happens, y'all. They all decided to almost come out at once in the from the package. And the last, here's the last few coming out the bag. And I'm just gonna take these 3, punch a hole and let them fall in there. These 3, press a hole and then I'm falling down. And I'm gonna just water everywhere again. Let me water it some more. Yeah, don't have to try. Well, I hope that motivated some of y'all to just go and plant something today just to see what happens. Hopefully it rains tomorrow and wakes some of those seeds up so they can germinate.